Are you looking for these button links in Ticket? You can add your YouTube channel. When you click the button, it takes you to the channel. Same for other social media, like Instagram. You can easily gain a lot of subs and followers. If you are intrigued, watch this video. The first thing you would do is invite Ticket King bot in your server. This is the best ticket bot there is. After that, create a ticket channel. Please make sure to not give send message perm to members in this channel. Add a log channel too, but make sure only staff can see it. Now place Ticket King bot high above everyone role and give admin perm. If you don't wish to give admin perm, that's fine too. Just give the perm in ticket channel. After getting into Ticket King's dashboard, you'll find this page. This is my main server's analytics. The panels of my server looks like this. It has tickets, thread, and application. I'll show you how to make them. But before that, I want to give a huge shout out to Ticket King devs for giving me their premium for lifetime. Now go back to the panels. We will create a ticket. There are two types, ticket panel and application panel. We will do ticket panel first. Here, we will do text channel first between ticket and thread. I'll explain thread to you later in the video. Now select ticket channel here. Naturally, I have two channels. I will select the testing one. There are so many options here. In default support roles, you will select staff role here, or any support role that you have in your server. In default ticket name format, you will select username. When someone opens the ticket, their name will be on the channel, but it's your choice what variables you want to pick. Now simply scroll down and click Start Editing. No need to get panicked after seeing this. Click the embed box. On the right-hand side, you can able to edit everything inside the embed box. We will first start with the embed color. I will change it to pink since my theme is pink. Now write the title. I have already made a layout. This is not free, by the way. To enhance your emoji, use backtick sign on both ends of the emoji. It will be added inside a black box. You can see the preview on the left-hand side. Now you can post the description of the embed. I have made this one already. You can also use server emojis here. Now it's time to add a cool divider. Just copy the image address and paste it here. Same for the icon, I use PNG here. You can join my server for decors and layouts. Since embed is done, we have a ticket button. You can add links here. If you want to delete a button, just select it and click Delete under Actions on the right-hand side. Now let's add the link to this button. You can use it to add your social media account links. We will do the same thing like adding emoji and name to the button. Let's say, I want to add my YouTube channel link. You will name the button and then add the link. Click Save. Go back to your Discord server and click the button. The button has directed me to my YouTube channel. Now I will show you some cool ticket tricks. You can hold a button and drag it to place it in any position you want. After placing it and hitting the Save button, the button will be repositioned to your server too. This is really one of the best features that this bot has compared to any ticket bot you have ever used.
Honestly, this tutorial is pretty straightforward, so there isn't much else to cover. But if you do run into any issues or have questions, definitely head over to the Ticket King support server. They have tons of helpful channels, and I'm pretty sure they offer support in Spanish too. You're also more than welcome to join my server. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more.